What are you making?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make roasted plantain, popularly known as bole. I know many of you know how to roast plantain using charcoal, grill, or an oven. But do you know how to roast plantain on the stove top? I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video. So let's get started. These are the plantains that I'm gonna be using. It is advisable not to use overripe plantains. I'm also going to be using my designated roasting pot or makeshift oven with sand. I'm going to pour the sand into the pot and heat it over medium heat. In case you are seeing this for the first time, I have used this sand in some of my videos to cook, and I also made a video on how to sterilize it. If you're interested in the video, the link is going to be in the description box. You can check it out later. While the sand is heating up, I will use the time to peel the plantain. So if this is your first time on my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and on the notification bell so that I can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. Let me also use this time to send a very special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. In case you are wondering why it is taking too long to peel off the skin of this plantain compared to the previous one, this one is not as ripe as the previous one, and you can tell by the sound that comes from the peeling of the skin. This plantain is not going to be sweet as the previous one because it is not that ripe. And it is very important not to use overripe plantains because they're going to melt while you are roasting them. So I'm going to start with 2 plantains because of the size of the pot. Once the sand is hot, place a rack over it so that the plantains don't come in contact with the sand. Then place the plantains on the rack. It is the heat from the sand that will roast the plantains. After about 15 to 20 minutes, you can flip them to the other side. In order to trap the heat from the sand, I decided to cover it with a lid. This will also help the plantains cook through. As you can see, it is hotter and they are browning up. So be careful not to burn your hand. Use a tongue. I don't know if you can see the steam. This is what will cook the plantains. I'm gonna cook the plantains on all sides until they are soft and done. And I might cook them on all sides more than once until they develop a very beautiful brown color. At this point, the plantains are done. You can tell by the softness. So I'm going to cook them uncovered so that they don't brown up too quickly. I don't want them to be black. I just want them to have a very beautiful brown color. I like what I'm looking at, and as you can see, they are soft to the touch. So the bole is ready. So I'm just gonna set them aside and repeat the same thing with the remaining plantains. Roasted plantain is a street food in Nigeria, popularly known as bole. Bole is normally roasted over charcoal alongside with roasted yam. Most people rather buy them from the streets than make them at home because of what goes into making them. The point of this video is to show people how easy it is to roast your plantain from the comfort of your home without much stress. And you don't need to deal with any smoke. You can also roast your yam and potatoes like this. I have a video on how to do that. It is on my channel. go search, or I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. You can check it out later if you're interested. Finally, they are ready. Don't they look like something roasted over charcoal? They are done and very soft. I bet if someone told you that these bole were made on the stovetop, you would not believe it. So let us see what we made, because seeing is believing. Look at it. Is this not bole? Street style bole. Very done and soft. And the most amazing thing about it is that you cannot tell whether it was roasted with sand or charcoal. Roasted plantain is not complete without palm oil or pepper sauce, and you can also eat it with peanuts. I also have a video on how to make the palm oil sauce in case you are wondering. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. You can check it out later if you're interested. I also have videos on how to roast peanuts and how to fry the fish used in this video. If you're interested, the links are going to be in the description box. So now that you know how to roast plantain on stove top from the comfort of your home, why don't you give this a try? I promise you this is gonna amaze you and you're gonna love it. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.